Everybody, Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So listen, we're going to do another beef jerky recipe today. Today is going to be one of the simplest recipes that I have, and it's actually one of the best. I really don't publicize this one. It's something I like to eat, every once in a while because it's so fast and simple. It's called an old-fashioned beef jerky, guys. Very simple ingredients in this recipe. Just a great little soy, Worcestershire, mildly sweet jerky. Very simple flavors in this old-fashioned beef jerky, guys, and I think you're absolutely gonna love it. Okay, so this is one of my hidden secrets. I don't tell too many people about this, what the ingredients are, but I'm gonna do it for you guys today on YouTube. Okay, old-fashioned beef jerky. Here we go. Watch how simple this is. We're gonna use a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, we got 2 pounds of black Angus beef, so we're gonna use half a cup. Remember, now in my shelf life video for 3 months, a half a cup per 2 pounds of beef of soy sauce. Okay, so we use a half a cup of soy sauce. We're going to use 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar because I want that meat to really soften up and caramelize. And then we're going to use some Worcestershire sauce, which is going to give it a little bit longer of a shelf life because it's so salty, but it also gives it that nice sharp little flavor that I'm looking for. Okay, simple recipe, simple ingredients, great beef jerky, guys. So you got to try this one. Okay, so listen here. Let's get these kids in the pool, baby. Let's make it happen, okay? So we're gonna do 1/2 cup of soy sauce, my friends. Here we go. Nice and simple. Half a cup of soy. And now we're gonna do that 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Nice brown sugar. Now you can use regular sugar if you want. If you got a little bit of, just some white sugar, if you got something simple at home, you could use that as well. Okay, guys, we choose to use brown because it has that little bit of a molasses type flavor in it. Okay, so let me get this in there. It's a little bit more than 3/4, but you want to put 3/4 of a cup in and spread that around. Nice, and that's going to caramelize and soften up that meat nicely. Okay, so here we go. Now we got one more ingredient, my friends. We're going to put in our Worcestershire sauce. All right, that's what we're looking like now. Real simple. This is one of the simplest recipes you'll see the Fat Yankee do, okay? Here we go. 1/2 a cup of Worcestershire sauce. All right. That's it. Now, this jerky is a little bit on the salty side, just so you know, if you make it. If you are sensitive to salt, it does have a little bit of salt in it because of the extra Worcestershire that we put in. I normally don't use that much in any other recipe. So this is what we're looking like, guys. I'm going to shake this up right now. Let this marinate for 2 days, 48 hours, my friends. Okay, and now we're going to shake this up nice, just like this. And again, real simple stuff. We're going to let that brown sugar caramelize in here. This is a great beef jerky. Now, even this recipe here too, if you even let this go for another day, it doesn't hurt. It is absolutely delicious. I've done that in the past, just not having the time to make it. So that's 2 days normally. But hey, if you don't have the time like I do sometimes, I do it in 3, but I always make sure I do it after 3, okay? So I got this in here, and I'm gonna shake this up nice, my friends. Let me wash my hands. I'll show you what we got. Old-fashioned beef jerky. Okay, let me just dry them. There we go. Keep everything nice and clean here. 3 ingredients. One of the best beef jerkies you'll ever taste. Real simple stuff, guys. Hey, this is the Fat Yankee, my friends. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. And give me your feedback on this recipe. This is my little hidden secret now, okay? Don't tell anybody. Take care.